Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday called on the people of India to take panch pran for a developed nation and aim to fulfill the dreams of the freedom fighters by the year 2047, the 100th year of India's independence. The Prime Minister, while addressing the nation on the 76th Independence Day from the ramparts of the Red Fort, talked about the 5 pledges the country needs to focus on for the next 25 years. The first pran is to move forward with bigger resolves of developed India. The second pran is to erase all traces of servitude. Even if we see the smallest things of servitude inside us or nearby us, we have to get rid of them. The third is to take pride in our legacy. 4 is the strength of unity of our dreams of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. The fifth pran is the duties of citizens, which include the Prime Minister and Chief Ministers also. This is a big pran shakti for fulfilling the dreams of the country in the next 25 years, the Prime Minister said. Several events have been held over the last 75 weeks to celebrate 75 years of India's independence. Meanwhile, people are enthusiastically taking part in the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign under the aegis of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an initiative of the Government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of independence and the glorious history of India's people, culture and achievements. This Mahotsav is dedicated to the people of India who have not only been instrumental in bringing India thus far in its evolutionary journey but also hold within them the power and potential to enable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of activating India 2.0, fueled by the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat.